like we're all from the 80s generation. Barcade are popping up everywhere. Vancouver just got a barcade, right? You got like pinball machines, Pac-Man, Space Invaders on one side, and you've got a bar on the other. Like those are coming up like everywhere now.
The space could be pretty cool for that.
See, yeah, I mean, you get these. I mean, it doesn't need a lot of light. Nobody's gonna care about what's happening outside. They want the lights and the wee 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 wee, right? They want the Space Invaders and Pac-Man sound. Like, I think that could be something in that space.
That's pretty cool. Yeah. So
and it's a destination. People will come from 25 miles away, birthdays and anniversaries. And I mean, Cindy, we go to an arcade every year for her birthday. Like that's her thing.
So then the question is just either finding the entrepreneur to put the time and the energy into getting it up and running. Do you know any of these owners? Like, I don't know where to get arcades or like.
Yeah, they're gettable. I mean, you're gonna spend $2,000 or $3,000 per machine, maybe $5,000, but they're gettable. Anyway, I mean, a space like that would be perfect for a barcade.
I love it.
Yeah.
Well, last time we talked, I remember you mentioned the idea of taking a little trip down to Danville.
Yeah. Let me know when we do our big reveal. Let me know when you want to do that. Like schedule it with the resident, and I'll absolutely head out there.
Okay. All right. Well, I think, again, the most urgent thing is to resolve this letter of credit thing. And it seems that the bank is going to work with us. Their initial answer was no, but he says he's going to try to figure it out because it's just logical. Like it's
that's mighty nice of him since he has your business already.
Yeah, exactly. I think, again, it was a different point of contact. So he didn't really have all the main guy that helped us get to closing is gone. He went to a different bank. And so this guy just had no context. And he was like, yeah, we can do a letter of credit, but it's a pain in the butt. It's, weeks of underwriting and everything. I was like, so I had to talk to him and be like, look, you already gave us a $1.1 million loan, and now we're talking about $12,000 that we need to be able to execute the business plan that you want us to execute. So there's every reason to just expedite this. Let's make it happen. And finally he got it. So I'm really hoping we get some good news with that today. So once that happens, then I think it'll be time to look into some more of this stuff.
Okay.
Couple of takeaways from this meeting. You just rebinded your current insurance and then you'll deal with that later, correct?
This is not the same current insurance. This is a new one. The current one that we had, the previous one that we had, they essentially just didn't want to work with us anymore. Once they knew that we changed owners, they gave us the 60 days notice that they were going to dump us. And then that company, I don't know what to call it, the local representative was trying to find other insurers that would take us.
Right. Okay, cool. Your broker.
Really right. So this company was Erie Insurance, and it was super easy. Like she sent me a quote the next day and it was very reasonable. It was something like $8,000, which is about what we had been paying previously. So it was awesome. It was super easy. And she went through it with me and just she was like, yeah, we want to insure buildings like yours. So too bad for them. Like, this is great for us. We want to help people like you. And so when they gave us that 60-day notice, I did talk to the guy that works with Warren. His name is Chris Dahl.
Yep.
And I don't think he ever got back to me. So I'm not sure if I imagine that in some level, he's a little bit frustrated because he did all the work the first time when we didn't close, and then the deal fell through, and then this time I called him and it was an emergency, and he's like, okay, let me see what we can do. And then I called him back like a few hours later. I was like, oh yeah, the guy said he bought us 60 days, so now we have 60 days to get a quote instead of just an emergency that has to happen right now.
Right.
Maybe he's feeling like I'm not serious about working with him, so that might be why he didn't get back to me, or maybe he just got busy. So I don't know.
Yeah, there's a couple of maybes there, but at the same time, what didn't happen is he didn't get back to you?
Yeah, I think he knew that the 60 days were, we had 60 days to get a quote, and I don't think he got back to me.
Okay.